Hey, CollegeBushido. This is a case study based on talking to two students about CollegeBushido and possibly getting a tech job. So this I recently spoke to college students Benjamin and Sarah, and their names have been changed for privacy purposes. And I sometimes do a video summary because the lessons learned often apply to multiple people. So with Sarah is a senior who's graduating in a few months. And in terms of stop scrolling, she is probably spending 2 to 3 hours a day scrolling stuff, which is not such a good use of time. So that's a huge opportunity to replace that with something else. So the thought or suggestion is to replace 1 hour with a focus on job search using a Bushido hour scheduled in the morning. And the second thing would be doing something positive that she wants to replace it with. So in terms of the job search, one idea is to track down students who graduated last year in the same field and to find the ones who did get a job somewhere and where they got a job, because maybe that will be a clue. The other is to create a small group, a support group of people who are also seniors in your field looking for a job, so you can compare notes and motivate and hold each other accountable. In terms of positive stuff, as an example, she mentioned that she wanted to do more writing, which is great, and you could actually connect to other students for a virtual journal or a virtual writing collection between different people, as well as things like ideas of cooking. So we are going to have a Bushido Yum thing sooner or later, where we have people maybe once a week gather and cook together. They may cook different things, etc. The other comment was based upon the law of assumption and ideas from Think and Grow Rich. So another idea is to just apply the basic things of Think and Grow Rich to your situation. The next person was Benjamin. Benjamin is a new Master's of Computer Science student. His goal is to, in 2 years, graduate and get a job in the tech field in the United States, and for a good salary. So a couple of thoughts. One is his personality is more of an extrovert and an organizer, and that's awesome to leverage by gradually building out the database of the few hundred people who are doing the Masters in Computer Science, and then which ones within that group are international and which ones in that group are from India. And the idea would be to create a group of people, maybe 5 or 10 people, and do a project, do some coding project to see how could you track down all the people who graduated in the previous year with a Master's in Computer Science and find out where did they end up working, what was their process to get that job, etc., to be able to build out what's the best ways to apply to a select group of companies and create maybe a UI UX gamified approach to gather that information and connect people. So that's a few different thoughts based upon a conversation, in case it gives ideas to anybody else.